The idea is that the more you surround yourself with things that bring you joy, the more it supports you in your journey to being your happiest, best self. Hi, y'all. I'm Natalie Mackey. I have a crazy day today, but I've got my coffee and I'm so glad you're here because I'm going to show you how I do my 5-minute face. So let's do it real quick and get out the door. I love the beauty industry because it is like selling magic. I started Winky Lux back in 2015 with a co-founder, Nate Newman, who is awesome. And we decided that there was a lot of room in the industry for more fun. I always have a really busy day. I'm a mom and my kid wakes up really early. So this is my get ready, get out the door look. I started in the shower actually with the Orangey Bright Vitamin C exfoliator and then the petal cleanser. And this one, they both have vitamin C in them, but the Orangey Bright just really gets that glow going. It smells so good. It has that kiwi fruit. It's got vitamin C in it and rose water, which makes it very refreshing. My first business was in high school at 16. I got my license and I started a little Uber service. Well, we didn't call it Uber, obviously, but I would pick people up for $2 each way, and I did 2 routes every morning. I'm gonna actually start my whole skincare process or my whole makeup process with some skincare because skincare is the key to great makeup. So this is the Bakuchiol serum, and I love this. This is in the Clouds by Winky Lux. Ooh, it's so dreamy. It really helps with hyperpigmentation, and it just gives me that kind of glazed donut, glowy delight. And then I'm using the Yon-ka, this toning lotion, and I swear, I think everything I do, it's like a finishing lotion. I love scents. I'm such a sucker for scents. I try everything for the scent, and this just has this like beautiful eucalyptus, amazing scent. Supergoop. Let's start with some good sunscreen. The best beauty advice I ever got from someone: anything you do to your face, do to your neck. Keep those lines from getting any deeper. Then this is the night sleeping mask, but we're gonna cheat and use it in the day because I think it's a perfect lip prep for makeup. I'm in a rush, so I'm actually gonna use the Tula Eye Balm. I love this product. I've actually used this one almost down to its nub. And then to get some of that cooling, this is a cooling tool. It helps to really depuff the eyes, which I need. So next for the magic, this is the Winky Lux White Tea Tinted Veil. It's a tinted moisturizer with broad spectrum SPF 30, and it also has tons of antioxidants in it. It also is just, it's like a nice skin finish. I use a brush for everything. As you can see, whoop, there are those little baby hairs on my face. This is the Peeper Perfect Hyaluronic Acid Collagen Under Eye Concealer, and this is kind of one of our signature products. And then I just blend it out, almost like a foundation booster. All right, then I'm gonna use a little bit of the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later. I discovered this in a box, one of the subscription boxes. I can't remember which one, but I love this product. It's really, really pretty. It has a really nice finish. The other thing is it's hot and humid in New York, and so we need to not crease. So what differentiates Winky Lux from the rest of the beauty industry is that we believe joy comes from the inside out. And so everything we do is designed to create pops of serotonin for you. It's designed to create a moment of happiness in your day. All right, so this is the Winky Lux Bronze Age Bronzing Stick. I know everybody loves to use their beauty blender with contour and with bronze. But I feel like we are in a rush, so I'm all about doing things fast today. Next, I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick in Amethyst. I love this one if I'm in a huge rush. All right, then I'll just take my pencil brush, blend it out. This is the skinny version of the unibrow. So our unibrow is one of our most famous products. This is our universal brow pencil in a precision form. So as I'm filling these in, I'm just drawing kind of where they should be, since they don't exist already. And I'm gonna brush it through. I'm not doing a big bushy brow today, just to get out the door brow. This is the Cheeky Rose Blush in my favorite shade, which is Tea Time. And this has that Caranuba oil in it, which gives it a really velvety finish. And goes on, and I don't need a lot of color today. Even put a little on my cheeks, and I put a little up here. All right, so this is the Matte Point setting powder, and I go over my eyes first. I do the whole thing. This is a really nice translucent powder. You can see I'm kind of sweating a little bit up here. I'm nervous, y'all. Extravalash mascara. This is from Winky Lux, and it is just a really, really high drama mascara. And so because I'm not using liner or anything like that, I want to pop that lash line. This is Winky Lux Lip Velour in Pippi. This is my personal fave. To really finish the whole thing off, last thing, this is so controversial. Y'all are seeing it here first. I put setting powder over my lipstick to make it last all day. All right, let's get to work. No matter what product that you're putting on your face, it should always make you feel like the best version of you. So the idea is never to cover them up, it's to make sure that everyone's seeing how wonderful and gorgeous you are. And I think the most gorgeous people are the ones who really delight in all of the small things and are really happy. The idea is that the more you surround yourself with things that bring you joy, the more it supports you in your journey to being your happiest, best self. So now that my 5-minute face is done, I'm in an Uber on my way to Soho to meet one of my marketing team. And it's about a 10-minute ride, so I'm gonna answer a bunch of emails, shoot off some texts, try to get some things done while I'm on the way, multitasking. So running a business, there's a ton of highs and lows. It's not for everybody. It is a really intense lifestyle. And I love it. I love the energy of it. I love my team. They give me so much joy. They're so inspiring, but they're counting on me to be there for a lot of stuff throughout the day. So from early in the morning until late at night, I'm fielding all kinds of different things, and I kind of have to be ready for lots of different kinds of conversations. And then I have a kid on top of it. So throw in the ultimate variable in your day. If I only have 5 minutes to get out the door, I want to make sure that I have a routine that gets me going, that's easy, that's beautiful, and leaves me feeling my best to face the day. So that was a great meeting. I feel like my face held up. So I'm just gonna do a quick lipstick touch up and go on to part 2 of my day.